Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Tutor Talkie. In this tutorial now we are going to see how to change hostname in Solaris 11 without reboot the server. If you are using Solaris 11 operating system, so there is a main difference that we are changing the hostname compared with the Solaris 10. In Solaris 10 we are changing the hostname under the etc/node name, but in Solaris 11 onwards the etc node name has been modified as svc property. Suppose you want to set the hostname for Solaris 11 operating system, so we need to be change using the property svcs and we need to restart the service. So let's go now. Now we are in the server section. Before changing the hostname, first we need to check the current hostname of the server using the command hostname. The current hostname is the tutor. So now what we are going to do, we are going to change the hostname as tutor to Talkie. So now we are going to check the current hostname property of the server using the command svcfg -f system / identity :node list prop config. So you can see the current host name, it will be like *tutor. So now we are going to change the property. Now we are going to change the host name to Talkie by setting the property config/node. So we can set now svcfg -s system / identity :node set prop for setting the hostname config /node name equal to double quotation Talkie. Let's see why. So I am changing the hostname from tutor to Talkie. Yeah, it's setted now. Now we can check the property again. See, now the host name, the config /node name is changed as Talkie. So now we are going to refresh the service. svcadm refresh /system identity :node. Paste here. Okay, so now we have refreshed the host name. So now we are going to restart the service now. Let's check the service status. Plan -i. Okay, :node I missed. So service is non state now. So now we are going to check the property status using the command svccfg identity list prop config. cc is changed now. So now we are going to check the host name. C is changed as Talkie. Previously it will be like tutor, now it's changed as Talkie. So now we are going to make it as permanent by modifying the entry in etc host. Before that, first we can take the backup of the etc host. sts /etc/host_bkp. Yes, we have taken the backup. So now we are going to modify the host now. So it will be tutor. Now we are going to change the Talkie. Yeah, I am modifying as tutor to Talkie now. Okay, why? Okay, yeah, saving this section now. / listing the cat etc host /host. Yeah, we changed it. So that's it guys. So now you know how to change the host name in Solaris 11. In the next video we can see with different topic. Until then, bye from Shiva.